Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Listen, I just want to say thank you guys for start liking, subscribing. I know you guys have been supporting the channel very much. So today we're going to present to you the newest feature of the fourth official. That is the fan cam feature, fam. So make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe for brand new. Referee, blow the whistle. Let's go. Bro, what's up? Why go Elsa, brother?
Yeah, fam. I don't know what to tell you, fam. I don't know what to tell you. Just another week, and guess what? Another fucking loss, fam. Right now, the only thing we can salvage from this season is hoping we can win the Europa League and get the Premier League season. Because at the end of the day, fam, I don't know. Individual mistakes cost us today. But it's nothing new. Every week is the same thing over and over, fam. There wasn't Ahmad just like midweek to save us today. So what? What happened, fam? What happened? Onana for the third goal. What the fuck was that? What in the living fuck was that, Onana? What? Fam, I would like to understand from your perspective, like what the actual look on the game we played last game, fam, and today, bro. But I know Onana fault, fam, because we're already down 2-1 at first instances, and Mazuari, it was always going to be that one game that Mazuari was shit, and today was the day. Matoma, whatever fucking man, have him on toast. Have him on toast and then play a perfect pass, cross face at the goal, boom, them score. All right. You can see that Ahmad was going to be integral in this game, and he was the one who intercepted the pass. It comes straight to Xerxes, boom, penalty. All right, we'll score 1-1. We can build on that, can we? Don't forget, Don't forget, say Joe Pedro score second goal and then kick it off and say call it off because them kick the low foot, I'm saying, all right, cool. Make a build upon that, no power, make a bit nothing to blood clot, nothing. Not one thing. This team has been shit all season. This team is shit all season. And until Ibrahim Amarim bringing in players that he needs, the team will always be shit, fam. So answer your question. Yeah, team is shit. Simple as that. Simple as that. Who do I want in a transfer market? Farmbo. Honestly, we need a left back, a left wing back. And I think the only affordable, reasonable, and one that we know is you from Benfica. We just sell him to Benfica last year. So you tell me, you know what I'm talking about. You sell him to Benfica last year. That blood clot brother named Eric fucking Ten Hag sell him to Benfica last year. And the man do bits right now. Bring him back, fam. Bring him back. Simple as that. Fernandez. Bring him back. Bring him back. So from that, brother, best I watch football now, Just watch football now. Manchester United, just watch football now. So we have a midweek game and then weekend again. Just watch football now. That makes sense. I'm desensitized to Manchester United. Me used to vex, kick up our sort of ruckus, cuss be about it. Do that no more, fam. Just watch Man U. Win and win, lose them, lose. I call it a day, you see me? So yeah, best of yourself. Bless up, Manaz. Manaz.